to Artwork Drawing and Design Academy. This is Vaishali Adone, and today's video is going to be about important steps to improve memory drawing and human figures. Okay, so I could see that there was a lot of response on our channel for memory drawing video as well, and I had told you all that I would come up with a video which is explaining it much more better. So I have just tried to make an attempt. So there are two aspects. Okay, even before we start with the memory drawing, talking about the memory drawing, let me tell you all, this video is going to be relevant for all those who are sitting for the BFA exams, who are going to appear for the JJ School of Art, and also mainly for the NID and NIFT and aspirants, all the design students basically, because even though the format of memory drawing keeps on changing when it comes to design colleges, it could be anything. There is a vast variation in how it will be kept forth in the exam. We really cannot deny the fact that you have to draw most of the time, and I won't say major part, but there is a part of drawing, and especially drawing and putting forward your understanding for human body into the paper. Okay, all the design entrance exams that happen, so it is not only about the visualization or ideation, it is also about putting your visualization into a form of drawing. Okay, so this video is going to be relevant for all those who are trying to make an attempt to improve with their drawing skills, and trying to make an attempt to improve with their observational skills in concerns to human body. Okay, so let us see how to go about it. So the first thing, if you want to really improve your human figures or drawing, first thing which you should be doing is that you should be drawing live. That is, you should be sitting live in the ambience, and you should be drawing. But right now, in the video, I'm not going to talk about that. I will make a separate video on the importance of light drawing. Okay, now since the situation is such that we really can't go out, and yet we have to prepare, and the exams are nearing, what I we can do is that we can find out the solution to this thing. So what will be the solution? So the solution will be that you start drawing from live imagery. Now, what is live imagery? Live imagery is nothing but drawing from photographs. Okay, you start drawing from photographs are, if you talk, photographs are the images taken from camera, if you want to talk in the mundane concern. So those exhibit a lot of reality into them. Those are not really an edited images as such. They are the real images, so you are able to grasp so many things out of that. Okay, so that is the reason you should start drawing from the uh, real imagery, the imagery which is real. Okay, that means photorealistic imagery. It's very important to draw from the photorealistic imagery, because let us see what is the advantage of drawing from photorealistic imagery. I will tell you all that. So what is the importance of drawing from the photorealistic imagery? You When you all draw from the photorealistic imagery, what happens is that you get a chance to know, transform the basics of visual. Now, what are the basics of visual? If you are, whatever visual we are trying to be concerned about is flat, it's going to be in the form of two dimension, it's going to be flat. So in that regards, photographs allow you to look at the line, to look at the dot, to look at the color, to look at the texture. It allows you to study all these elements in the way you want to study, or in the way your brain is being wired to understand this thing. See, if you look at if you look, let's say, if I tell you, you look at a banyan tree. Okay, now we are looking at a banyan tree, and I ask 10 people to draw it. Now, why does everybody is drawing differently? Because the way they perceive line, the way they perceive form, or whatever color is different, is very individualistic way or pattern of perceiving, and then it differs. That's why it is very important that you draw, and you that visual transfer which is happening for all these elements, they have to happen on your own, they have to happen here. And when you draw from the images which are already drawn, that are ready images, okay, so ready images से जब भी आप ड्रॉ करते हो, जो किसी ने इलस्ट्रेट किए हैं, जो किसी ने ऑलरेडी बनाए हैं, तो वहाँ पे आप बहुत बड़ा एक प्रैक्टिस का जो पार्ट है वो मिस कर देते हो। यानी आप जो ट्रांसफर होना चाहिए, जो चीजें आपको दिख रही है, देखो लाइन कहीं पे भी नहीं है, देर इज नो लाइन अराउंड, यू आर क्रिएट, द लाइन इज क्रिएटेड, इट इज नॉट एक्चुअली एग्जिस्टिंग। जो एजेस है या आप जो देख रहे हो, ये सारा जो दिख रहा है आसपास, सब कुछ लाइन, सब कुछ डॉट, सब कुछ कलर, सब कुछ टेक्सचर में दिखता है। ये अगर आप देखना सीखते हो तो ही आप एज अ विजुअल फेटर्निटी एक लेवल पे आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग को डेवलप कर पाओगे। फिर वो आप, यू माइट बी डिजाइनिंग, आप चाहे तो आप बैचलर्स का एग्जाम दे रहे हो, आप एनिमेशन के लिए जाना चाह रहे हो, कहीं पे भी जाना चाह रहे हो, ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि जो चीज़ है ये कुछ भी दिख रहा है, जो आसपास दिख रहा है, इसे कैसे ट्रांसफर करना है इसे, और किस तरह से आप उसको विजुअल यहाँ पे क्रिएट करोगे, और फिर पेपर पे तो बाद में आता है, लेकिन एग्जाम पे आपको पेपर पे ही करना है। देर इज नो वे दैट यू विल राइट इट डाउन एनीवेयर। देर आर क्वेश्चन फॉर डिजाइनिंग एग्जाम वेर दे allow tell you to write, show your writing skills also, but that is not every questions are like that. There are questions where you need to draw. So अगर आप ये ट्रांसफर करना सीख लेते हो तो आपको बहुत हेल्प करता है, और ये सही तरीका है, दिस इज द करेक्ट वे ऑफ approaching. Okay, so what are we going to do? So after this, I already told you that we should draw from the live imagery. Live imagery allows you to look at all the 6 elements which I keep on talking about, that is surface, line, color, texture, tone, everything. Okay, so ये होने के बाद the next video, everything. Okay, so the next video is going to be about uh, a systematic representation. Let me just show you all. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so the next video is going to be about a systematic practice which I'm going to recommend you all for improving your human figures. And then I am not yet decided if I will do it live on YouTube or we will post the videos. That I had not really figured it out, but I will definitely try to work out something which will help you all. And if you do that practice along with us for 10 days, if you are a student, you just go to the bell icon and make sure that you get our notifications, so that whenever we start, we will start in 2 3 days, maybe next 2 3 days. So whenever we start, you will have a notification, and then you can start along with us. And if you do those figures with us, those, if you try to track drawing along with the video, what we are showing, I can assure you that hereafter you will not have a problem as to think that I am able to see a human body, I understand, but when I have to actually draw, now how to draw, how to do it, I am understanding everything. I know that the body is 7.5 head, I know that the pelvis is going to fall on the fourth head, and the rib cage is to 1.5 head. Every detail you all know, every anatomy detail you all know, but you all are still not able to draw the human body. And then if you do this with us, along with us, I can assure you that within 10 to 15 days, you will not have any issues regarding how to draw things by looking at them. Even though you all are drawing from the photograph, still it will solve your problem of drawing live. So once you do it from the photograph, then you can go to live drawing. Don't just directly jump to live drawing, because live drawing में images, figures, या जो कुछ भी आप सामने देख रहे हो, जो रियलिटी है वो कांस्टेंट मूवमेंट में होती है, एंड एज अ स्टूडेंट आपको वो ट्रैप करने नहीं आती है। तो फिर पहले आप स्टिल फोटोज से करो, ये स्टिल फोटोज आपको हेल्प करते हैं, और फिर उसके बाद आगे जाके आप अगर लाइव करते हो तो आपको काफ़ी आसानी होगी। सो द नेक्स्ट वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी अबाउट द सिस्टमैटिक प्रैक्टिस विच आई रिकमेंड फॉर इम्प्रूविंग ह्यूमन figures fastest, and just follow that, and you will see what happens to yourself. Okay, okay, that's it for today, and I hope I was able to help you all out. And I am just going to upload a video and we will start practicing. Hope you this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, and all the best for your uh, respective entrance exams. Okay, thank you so much.